If you have noticed, when our app starts, we see a screen like this. This is called the loading or the splash screen. Let me show you. So here's our app. Let's reload it. Did you see the loading screen? Currently, the loading screen becomes visible and then disappears pretty quickly. If we keep it on while restoring the token, we can get rid of the flickering issue. To do that, we're going to use the app loading component in Expo. With this component, we can control the visibility of the splash screen. So let's go to app.js. On the top, we're going to import app loading from Expo. Now, in our component, we're going to declare a state variable that tells us if our app is ready or not. So use state. We're going to initialize this to false and call it is ready. Now, we no longer need the effect hook. Let's get rid of it. So if our app is not ready, we're going to return the app loading component. At this point, we're going to see the loading screen. Okay. Now, to control the visibility of the loading screen, here we should set two props. The first one is start async. We set it to a function that should be called when our app starts. In this case, I'm going to set this to restore token. Restore token. The other prop we should set is onFinish. This is an event that gets raised when the execution of this function is finished. So here we want to pass a function. And in this function, we want to call set is ready and pass true. In the next render, is ready is true. So instead of the loading screen, we're going to see the main screen of our app. Take a look. So save the changes. Here's our app. Let's reload it. Here's the loading screen and here's the main screen. So the welcome screen didn't flicker. Now let me show you how to replace this boring loading screen with something more interesting. Download the image below this video and put it in the asset folder. With that, when you reload the app, you see this beautiful screen, but if you noticed, we have some white edges around the red screen. Let me show you. So look, here are the white edges. To fix this problem, we go to app.json. So here we have a property splash. Here we can see the address of the splash screen. Below that, you can see the resize mode. Currently, it's set to contain. We can change that to cover, and this will resize the image with the right aspect ratio to cover the entire screen. Now, we also have background color, which is set to white. We should change this to the background of the image because loading the image might take a fraction of a second, and during that time, our splash screen is going to be white. So change that to E63C4B. Done. Now, let's reload the app one more time. Perfect.